Power isn't just about control, it's about becoming indispensable. How do you ensure others can't thrive without you? Welcome to Law 11 of Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power. Learn to keep people dependent on you. Law 11 teaches that to maintain power, you must position yourself as the gatekeeper of success. When others rely on you for resources, knowledge, or connections, they become bound to your authority. But how? Take Louis XIV, the French monarch who transformed his court into a golden cage. By centralizing power at Versailles, he forced nobles to depend on his favor for status. Their rivalry for his attention made him irreplaceable and untouchable. Today, this could mean being the only one who understands a critical system or the bridge between clients and outcomes. Create unique value, then let others' ambitions tie them to you. Example 1. A software engineer designs a tool only they can troubleshoot. Example 2. A project manager becomes the sole liaison for key stakeholders. But beware, dependency can backfire. If you hoard knowledge too greedily, resentment brews. Stay adaptable. Update your value or risk being replaced when the system shifts. Power lies in balance. Make them need you, but never let them see the strings. Use this law wisely. True power isn't exploitation. It's becoming so essential that your success and theirs align. Build alliances, not adversaries. Master Law 11, and you'll never fear being sidelined. But remember, the greatest power is knowing when not to use it.